Your happiest patients are telling their friends about you right now. The problem is you have no idea when and no way to make it happen on purpose. So referrals show up at random, a good month, then a quiet one. Here is what that costs you. Every loyal patient knows at least 3 people who need exactly what you do. Miss even 1 referral a week, and that is 50 new patients a year walking straight past your door. But here is the real problem. It was never that patients won't refer. It is that you never built a system to ask. So let's build one. 3 simple steps. 1, ask at the moment of the win. Right after a patient tells you they feel better, that is when you plant the seed. 2, make it effortless. Hand them a card, 1 name, 1 number. 3, thank them and close the loop. Tell them when their friend booked. Do that and referrals stop being luck. They become a steady, predictable stream of the best patients you'll ever treat. No ad spend, no cold marketing, just trust. We made you a referral system starter kit. The exact scripts, the card, and the follow-up. Link in the description. Grab it, run it for 30 days and watch. Live authentically, Dr. Tom Preston.